how to contact and chat with Etsy support team. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to etsy.com and log into your account. This is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Scroll down and click on help center right here. Now after you click help center, scroll down again and click on contact Etsy support. It will directly take you to this page as you can see, and choose what can we help you with. If you are buying or selling, for example selling, choose one of these, shipping, start seller, and now as you can see you will find a video that explaining the problem that you have. And if this video didn't help you, just go down and click I still need help. Now as you can see, click email us, and now send your email from here. They are answering quickly, so don't worry about that. Just send an email and they will answer you in less than 24 hours. Don't forget to like and subscribe.